it's Leigh. Welcome back to our channel. I'm so excited to talk to you all about one of my favorite families of products from Doll 10, our HydraGel collection. So in this collection, you're gonna get the SuperSized Foundation, the concealer in the matching shade, and our double-ended brush. So the great thing about HydraGel is that it's gonna work for all skin types. It's a combination between a tinted moisturizer and a foundation. So you get this really lightweight but full coverage finish on the skin that works for all skin types. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to use each and every one of these products. So the great thing about HydraGel is that it's wonderful for all skin types. It's a hybrid between a tinted moisturizer and a foundation. The texture is really lightweight on your skin, which makes it ideal if you're somebody that's looking for full coverage, but not looking or feeling like makeup. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the foundation first. And this is my go-to foundation. I love it. I'm somebody that has combination moody skin, and if you're like me, trust me, you're gonna love this. So I wear the medium shade, and what I do is I just take a little bit, I apply it to my forehead, my cheeks, my chin, and then I just blend it in. I love that the finish is semi-matte natural, gives me great coverage for my redness or acne scarring or whatever it is that I wanna cover, but it doesn't feel heavy on my skin at all. It kind of has the texture of a cloud. So I usually start with just one layer, and then you can always add more as you need it. Like I have a little bit of redness right around my nose here that needs to go away. And with the brush, you're in control. So you get this side to really blend the larger areas of your face, and then you have this side of the brush to go around the nose, and you can use this for concealer too. So you've got everything in this collection to really create that flawless canvas on your skin. I also love this foundation because I have really sensitive skin. So if you've got sensitive, reactive skin like I do, you're gonna absolutely love this because it's so gentle on your skin. So the next I'm gonna go in with the concealer. So the concealer is a concentrated version of the foundation. You're getting 4 times the amount of pigment, so you can get that extra coverage that you want, but you're still getting it in this really lightweight, skin-loving, gentle formula. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply a little bit of this right now to the brush and do a triangle under my eyes and then just blend that out. So you can use your finger if you want, you can use a brush, whatever it is that you want to do, you're really in control here. And you're really getting concentrated coverage that's soothing and conditioning your skin. It's really lightweight, like I said, it's really gentle, and you get to build to the level of coverage that you want. So if you've got dark circles, or perhaps you have acne scarring in some areas where you need a little bit more coverage, the concealer is going to be great for that. And I always recommend that you put your concealer on after you put your foundation on, because you put your foundation on, you can just even everything out, and then you can see where you need a little bit of coverage. For me, it's always under my eyes. I'm a busy mom, and I don't sleep a lot, so I feel like my under eyes always look very tired. So I always need a little bit of extra coverage there. And then around my nose. This weather has just been zapping the moisture out of my skin, and I'm sure so many of us can relate to that concern. So I always need a little bit of extra coverage right around that nose area. So in just a matter of a few minutes, I've been able to even out my complexion, erase redness, erase those discolorations, and do it in a way that really feels good on my skin. As somebody who has sensitive, reactive skin, it's really important to me that each and every one of the products that I put on my face is doing something good for my skin instead of actually hurting it. So you'll never find things like phthalates, sulfates, mineral oil, things that are gonna aggravate sensitive skin, but you will get beautiful coverage that makes your skin feel like as soft as a rose petal, but will never transfer, and most importantly, will never aggravate what you're trying to cover. So I am so excited for you to try HydraGel, and I know that you're gonna love it just as much as I do. So this is such a great way to be introduced to the HydraGel family. It's amazing if you've got that reactive combination skin, you're looking for something lightweight that's gonna go on and cool and calm the skin while giving you that amazing coverage. So I know that you're gonna love this just as much as I do, and we can't wait to hear your feedback. So I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and let us know what tutorials you'd love to see more of from us. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope we'll see you back here real soon. Bye, dolls.